The AI mode in Google is so powerful. You just type in your query and Google will search for that query and show you information using AI without you having to visit each web URL one by one. But what if you want to turn off AI mode in Google? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReview, and without any further delay, let's learn how to turn off AI mode in Google. In order to turn off AI mode in Google, what you have to do is you have to first of all open Google app, or you may also go to any web browser and go to google.com. Here we are opening Google app. So once you have opened the Google app, you may either see the labs icon here, or if you don't see the labs icon, maybe the Google app is not updated on your device, then you may also tap on this three dot icon to go to menu. And once you go to that, here you can see search labs. So tap on search labs and there you can see the information related to AI mode. Here, in order to turn off AI mode, we have to tap on this three dot icon, and after that we have to select manage, and that will show you some settings for search labs inside Google. Here we can turn off AI mode. You can see the toggle next to AI mode is turned on, so we can turn it off. And if you don't want AI in search, then you also need to ensure that you have toggled it off so that the AI in search will be turned off. So this way you may turn off AI mode in Google search. And by the way, if you want to learn how to delete your AI mode history for your Google account, then tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.